Hey guys, like here, quick review and assembly of the VEVOR heavy duty portable storage shed. Good for garden tools, good for motorcycles, bikes, stuff like that. So let's open this up, see what we have here, and let's set it up. Here we go, complete set. I believe it's snap and assembly. I don't think you're using any screws, but we'll check the manual and figure all that out. Tarps feel heavy duty. Some bungees. Oh no, we got some screws here, okay. Everything's labeled. Piping seems pretty heavy duty. Feels good. I mean, the whole box is about 50-60 pounds, so it's not lightweight stuff. Let's set it up. So first we're starting with the rooftop portion. So you want to outline all your pipes like you see here. We're going to use all 6 of these corner pieces. You have number 1 pipes, the short ones on the sides. Same over here. And then you have 6 of long pipes, which are labeled 2 and 2A. They're going to connect here and then snap in there. So let's put all this together and move on. And they just snap in, it's nothing crazy, so that's pretty cool. Just like that. And there we go. We've got our roof section set up. So maybe a couple minutes to do this. And you snap in, quick and easy to take apart as well. Next, we start putting the legs on. We're going to start with the shorter 3A pieces. So we're going to put 4 of these on, and then we'll do the tarp and the rest of the legs. And there you go. Next, the tarp. So we start with the tarp now, so it's easier to put on as opposed to when it's fully assembled. This is thick stuff, good quality. Before I put up the sidewalls of the tarp, I am going to pop the legs on now with the bases so it can work easier. And these are going to use the screws to bolt on, so we can pop these on later. No, there's only 1 hole here. There's 2 holes on this end, so use this for the feet. Pretty cool. So the feet just slide on, and then we're going to bolt them. So make sure you have the 2 holes here. Just like that. And we'll put a bolt through there. And for the feet, you are using the bigger bolts with a 14mm wrench. Go do all 4. That's it. We gotta install the bottom support pipes that run across each side, and that's the 4 and the 4A. So we're snapping these in together. They just snap in, and then they're gonna connect to each leg with these brackets and these bolts, and you need a 10mm wrench to tighten them. But one thing the directions don't show you, you have to also slide this in through a sleeve in here. This opens up. And that goes in there, slides across, so it holds the tarp down. So I'll show you guys this right now. Put these together. And we'll slide it in here. So it sticks out on the other end. Now we can do the bracket. So I'll give you guys a close-up on. Very simple. Grab this bracket here. You're gonna put the bolt through this hole right here. Just like that. Now the other one, they're all the same. And just tighten it up. Same with the other end. You can push this up and down. It's not mounted to this in any way. Do the same thing with the other end. The other side, I'll show you guys when it's done. Here's what it looks like. There is an extra bolt also. You're gonna screw this in. That second bolt just doesn't go through the pipe. So that's for extra security. And now if you want, we put on our front and back walls as well. And it's all good. We even got a window. Securing the wall with these bungees right here, and they just go through the two loops and around the pipe. This is the one loop that's connected to the outside wall, and this is the wall. So you can actually connect them directly like this, even with a zip tie, or go around the pipe just so it's a little more secure, which we'll do. I'm just getting this through here, and this one. And that's it. We're gonna go through all of them, front and back. And here's the back. As you see, they give you some decent overlap, which you can tuck under and probably put something on top of it to keep it more secure. Here's the front. Same idea. Bungees all around. And also, don't forget about the four Velcro straps. Just wrap those around as well. They're there, why not? See this window. Velcro. Pretty cool. Let's open up the door. Just for comparison, guys, I'm 6 foot tall, so as you see, plenty of space here. I'll put the specs below to this as well as the link so you can see. Check it out yourself. But yeah, solid build. Let me show you a few more things and we're set. They do give you guys some tent stakes that you can use on each leg once you know where you want to put it. There's 3 holes. And then they also give you these stakes with the rope so you can windproof it with the 4 tabs, one on each side. But besides that, let's get some stuff in here and see how it looks. Also, once assembled, pretty easy to move for one person. Yep. So here's the final product. As you see, throw a couple bikes in here. Still plenty of space. You can even put up some shelving, do some flooring, cover this overlap with flooring, and you'll have a nice solid shed out of this. I'm definitely going to use this for my motorcycle come winter time. More than enough space for that. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, check out my other how-to videos. Thank you.